Hello and welcome back to KD's Business Tips. Michael Lapide here, talking to you in a video on tips to increase your cash flow. First of all, obviously we said this in a number of videos, continuous tracking and monitoring is a must of your cash flow. If you're not even tracking and monitoring it, you're not going to know what's going on, when you need more, when it's going well, and so forth. So that's the first thing. You also need to be on top of where your money comes from, where it goes. So make sure you're tracking also what it's going out to, not just how much came in, how much went out, where did it go? Because we're going to look for things to maximize money coming in, of course, and minimize money going out. You need to have an accurate picture of your money, your company's cash flow at all times. So once you have a solid grasp on everything and you know where your cash flow is at, then you can follow some tips to increase cash flow because you have to have the foundation in place. One thing is you can speed up your invoicing process. Get your invoice to your clients faster because the faster you get an invoice out, the faster you're going to get paid. Now this is if you invoice, of course. Same with collection. If you have accounts receivable, the faster you collect your accounts receivable, the better off you're going to be. So streamline things, streamline your processes, find ways to collect money faster, to get that money in faster when it comes to invoicing and accounts receivable. One option may be you can give a discount for paying early. If people are paying 60 days and you're like, I want them to pay in 15, maybe give an early payment discount. Cash flow is important and giving a little discount may be beneficial. Just an idea. There's lots of things you can do to get it so that you're bringing it in further. You can also charge interest on late paying customers too as well to earn extra cash flow off the interest. Another thing is you want to keep track of your inventory. Keeping on top of your inventory regularly, make sure you know what items are selling and which items are not because you need to know what inventory to buy. I mean, this is probably common sense, but whatever you're buying, you're going to make sure you buy in bulk. So whatever's selling, you're going to buy in bulk because you're going to buy it to try to get a discount on shipping or discount in general for bulk purchases. If you know things are selling, you're going to buy more of that. So you're going to try to save money on the cost of those by buying more of what's selling in larger quantities. Another thing is you can get financing ahead of time. This is something where the problem is people wait till they need financing to get the financing. So you go and you say, okay, I need all this financing. Well, they know you need the financing now. They're going to charge you the higher rates. If you just go get the line of credit before you even need it, then you can negotiate. You have time to shop around and negotiate. So go for the credit, the financing way in advance. Be prepared and look at things to have backup funds on inside an account. 3 to 6 months of overhead. Nice to have. Another thing you can do is adjust and streamline the business process and procedures internally to basically produce more products or services within your company. Identify the gaps that you have within your company of where the time's lagging of how fast you can produce. Because if you have the customers, you want to make sure you can produce as fast as possible. And the last one is adapt to new technology. There's all this talk about AI and of course all these things, but there's so much technology, and for every business there's probably a technology that might be able to speed up the process, to save you money, increase efficiency, or save costs. These are important things and technology can help you do that. I'll give you one other tip that's not on my list here is your team members. Make sure that you are getting and training and mentoring the best possible team members, make them better than you, make them best they can possibly be because they will help you in turn increase your cash flow. Thanks for being part of our business tips and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.